So hi everyone. So in this video we are going to explore how to create LODs with the help of different software like Maya, ZBrush and Blender. So earlier I have created one process. I already showed one process how to create LODs in Unreal Engine as well. So in this Unreal Engine we do have two steps. Either we can go for automated and manual process as well. So in this whole video you can able to find both of the processes. So let's start. Okay, so we have this scan model. The texture and outer lines is connected, and you can able to see we have UV shell as well in this. So it's pretty simple creating LODs in Maya as well. Maya will work triangulated mesh as well and quad as well, but we do have only one option in Unreal Engine. We cannot convert mesh into quad because Unreal Engine basically designed for gaming, and in gaming usually tries triangulated mesh will work for better optimization. Okay, so Maya is more professional, so usually we are using quad or triangle mesh, but this video will be exploring how to create LODs with this triangle mesh as well. Okay, so we have this frog. So what we need to do in this, we just need to go to edit. In this edit we will have this LODs level of details option. So before that we just need to create a group. We just hit click on that, then we will be having one group which is only LOD 0, which is higher version of this LODs. So now again we are going to select this mesh, we are going to edit this and generate LODs meshes. So here as you can see we have number of LODs 1 to 4. If you want more LODs you can select up to 9, but in our case we are going for only 4 LODs, and one is higher version which will be 5 LODs. So we can adjust, we have options, we can adjust these values according to our choice. So by default these values is selected here. So if you want you can keep as it is, or you can change later on. We are going to explore that process as well, how we are going to change. Okay, so as of now we are keeping 4 LODs, and these values will be by default. If you want you can change as well. Then we are keeping somehow 85, then this will be 7, 60, then this will be the 40, and then this will be 20. Okay, now we can hit click on this generate. So now we are done with our LODs. So once we can go for this this channel box, here you can see activate LODs. So basically Maya and Unreal will LODs work according to the camera movement. If it is far, you can see if it is far, then LODs you can see here as well. See if I'm moving, if it is far away, then LODs for is selected. If we are zooming, 3 LODs per second, then is higher version. You can see this movement as well. Let me change that. In this process, for each LODs you have UV as well. So there won't be any issue in this. As you can see here, this one is LODs 2 and this one is LODs 0, which is higher version of LODs. If we are moving far away, this one is our LODs 4, which which is very light version. But our UV shims and everything is exact. There is no distortions happening during this process, and even Unreal Engine also works in the same way. So our next process is, what if you want to change this LODs according to your choice? You can see here you have percentage, and you can see the LODs for having 8%. So what we can do, we can select a group, we can hide all this higher version of this and keep only lower version. So in this lower version we do have one option reduction, or you can increase or you can decrease as well. If I say I want I can it seems like pretty low for me. If I want to reduce some more percentage, we can go for this 90 and we can hit click on enter. So as you can see, it's little bit reduced. If I say this LOD is 4, I just want only 50%. I don't want to go for 90%. I just want only 50%. Mesh has to reduce. If I say hit click on enter, you can see we can change the mesh according to our choice. So we can keep this as a 80, and we can go for, if we are going to select the group, and if you can unhide everything. Now once what we can do, this has to be this. So now once our camera will move, so I feel somewhere LODs once having some more. So LODs 0 is a higher version, we can hide this. We can hide LODs 2 as well, LODs 3, LODs 4 as well. So we just keep only LODs 1 to show. Okay, so I feel there is no much difference between LODs higher version and LODs 1. I just want to reduce some more mesh in this LODs 1. So the same way we can select a mesh, we can go for this poly reduction, then we can go for instead of keeping 20, we can go for 30, or I can go for 40%. Okay. So the same way it will work with quads mesh as well, and our UV shell will be removed here. Okay, I hope you understand this, how to create LODs in Maya. So now we are going for different software. So once one time just to show you, we can go for this. Okay, so as you can see, you can just see here LODs 0 is a higher version. If I'm moving my camera, now LODs 0, which is higher version, now selected to LODs 1, which is lower, little bit lower version. You can see the faces as well. Once you select this, how much faces? One. Let's go up. You can see the faces. Consolidation. So if we have huge environment sheds which is built itself in Maya and we are not using any other software, then we can create LODs for each elements, and whenever cameras, whenever the objects far away from the camera then it will be automatic switch to LODs 4 or maybe 5, like how much we have selected during the process. So in this process we can make our file lighter as well. So now we are going for ZBrush. Okay, so in this we are using the same row to create LODs, same mesh exactly, and what we can do in this, as compared to Maya, ZBrush process is little bit different, but almost work according to Maya as well. But we won't have that option. You can see this, if it is far, it won't auto switch. ZBrush is just a one support software for us. We can do these and we can export it to other software and we can use. Okay, let's start. So this one is a higher version, which is a 0. So now what we can do, we can go for this G plugin. We have this Decimation master over here. We can drag this to here. Okay. If you can see, we have UV this as well. I can show you that you have UV as well. Okay. So now let's start how to make LODs in ZBrush as well. So in Decimate master we can keep UV and we can go for this. We can make a this one is we can rename this LOD 0, which is higher, and we can make a duplicate. We can hide this. So with this one is LOD 1. So we can hit click on this pre-process. Once it's done, we can define how much percentage we want for LODs 1 as compared to this. So we can switch this wireframe and we can go for this 50% reduction. If we hit click on this, it will reduce 50%. See, almost 50% reduce. So now I can make duplicate, which is LODs 2. So I want to reduce, then again we have to do pre-process for this. Once it's done, so now we are going for, I just want to decrease another 20% from this LODs 1, and we can go for Decimate. As you can see, this is higher version, then second LODs, then this one is third. So in this process, so again we can make duplicate, we can hide this. So in this, you can hit click on this pre-process again. Once it's done, I can say I just want to reduce another 10% from this. So keep 20, because if I'm going to keep 10, it will be very low, and I can do Decimate. Which you can see 20 is very low. So how ZBrush work? Let me tell you one thing. How ZBrush work? If ZBrush found somewhere like if ZBrush feel like somewhere this particular area is flat, this particular area is flat. So what ZBrush is do? ZBrush trying to make one single plane for this particular area, just like this downside. So we cannot reduce more poly count. If it is a ZBrush fill, somewhere this area is super flat, it's all also flat, and ZBrush always trying to make one single plane for this particular flat area. So we will be having some issue if we are going to reduce uh, more mesh from this stage. So I guess LODs 1, 2, 3 is more than enough for us to do this. If we are going beyond that, then we are going to face this kind of issue. So we have some plus point and some negative points in each place as well. But if we are having some higher resolution, suppose millions of, we have this like millions of polygons in this. See, like 11 millions of polygons we are having. So only like we can make LODs with the higher mesh as well. So one negative point in this ZBrush, we cannot see that connection whenever we are going to move far away. It won't auto switch because we doesn't have any of this connection switching support ZBrush, and we won't go more than this much low in ZBrush. Okay, so now we are going for, I hope you understand like how to create LODs, how helpful LODs in Maya, and how the LODs work in ZBrush. So now let's turn to Blender. Let's go for Blender. So Blender, again we are going to use the same rope. In Blender, the same way, either we can go for this modifier and one by one we can reduce the poly count, which is very lengthy process. Like we cannot go for this kind of merging one points and faces, so which is very lengthy process in Blender to create LODs. But we do have another support, which is LODs maker. There is one plugin which you can able to get from Blender market, which is totally free. But in this I'll show you how this tool work, how this LOD is created in Blender. So now once you can load, you can go to once you have downloaded that LODs plugin in your local system. So here you can just need to find LOD. So here you can see development LOD maker. Okay, so once you have to click, you can go to this channel box. So here you can able to find location, 3D viewport, slide bar, my custom category. Okay, so this one is a 3D viewport. So in this view, and then this is a slide bar. So this one is a slide bar. This is the one where you can able to find your custom sidebar. So in this we have this make LODs objects. We don't have any other option like how we can customize, how we can keep our percentage, like I want this LODs 2, LODs 3, like specific resolution I can select. If I just want to reduce only 50% for this, which I'm having option in ZBrush. Same things I'm having option in Maya as well. Like if I want particular resolution, if it is pre-decided resolution, then I just want to change that resolution, which I'm having full control on that. I can make my own choice, like whenever creating the LODs. But in this Blender, we won't see any reduction setting. Like once it's created, it's created. We cannot make change, we cannot do anything. Either we have to stick with that final resolution. We don't have any other option. Either we have to go for manual, which is manual process is very lengthy. So now, once you select the object, if you say make LODs objects, that's it, done. So we have 5 LODs here now. So let me separate it out. This fifth. This one is 4. Star. Second. And this one is 0. Okay. So you can see here. If I select all together, if I show you the mesh, already mentioned this thing, we don't have any automated option in Blender like how to reduce this. Again, we have to go for a modifier to merge some of vertices, then only we can do this. So Blender won't give that option to handle that particular resolution. So I hope you guys understand which process is suitable for us and which process is not suitable for us. Each software having their own advantage. So I always prefer ZBrush to handle higher resolutions of model. But if we have a big mountain which Maya cannot able to support that higher resolutions model, so we can at least we can reduce at least 50%. I can use this big mountains, big terrains, big details, and I can make at least 50%. I can reduce some 50% as which can supportive to Maya or other software. Then I can transfer that mesh to Maya or Unreal. Then I can use that particular mesh to generate more LODs. I hope you understand the process for all these software. We will see you guys in the next video and next topic. Thank you.